Are you confused whether you have a milk allergy or lactose intolerance? Then today's video is just for you. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Gupta. I am a senior Ayurvedic consultant at IFA Ayurveda. In today's video, we will learn what is milk allergy, its causes, symptoms that can help you identify if you have a milk allergy, the difference between milk allergy and lactose intolerance. Also, I will tell you about 5 effective home remedies for milk allergy. Milk allergy is a condition in which your immune system considers proteins present in milk as harmful and releases antibodies against them, initiating an allergic reaction. Now, causes. So, when immune system considers casein protein present in milk as harmful and increases the production of IgE antibodies against it, in response, some chemicals like histamines are released which initiate allergic reaction in the body. So casein protein is the main cause of milk allergy. Now symptoms. Symptoms of milk allergy include swelling around lips or mouth, skin rashes, hives or itching, abdominal cramps, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, nasal allergies, colicky pain in children and excessive crying. Now, difference between milk allergy and lactose intolerance. So the biggest difference between these two conditions is that in milk allergy, the immune system considers protein present in milk, which is casein, as harmful. Whereas in lactose intolerance, the body cannot digest a sugar, which is lactose, that is present in milk. This is because an enzyme, lactase, which is required to digest this sugar is deficient. So lactose intolerance occurs. It means that milk cannot be digested. Additionally, it is important to note that in milk allergy, symptoms can occur throughout the body like rashes, hives or even rhinitis. Whereas in lactose intolerance, the symptoms are limited to gastrointestinal tract like abdominal cramps, gas, bloating or loose motion. Now let's move on to home remedies. So first one is bale juice or wood apple squash. You can easily make bale juice at home, which will help to prevent gastrointestinal symptoms like gas, bloating and diarrhea which occurs due to milk allergy. So you need to take out the pulp of bale fruit and mix it with 2 glasses of cold water. Now add black salt and roasted cumin powder for taste. Strain the liquid and drink it every day. Second one is herbal decoction of a plant known as changeri, which is a very good appetizer. It stimulates the digestive fire and helps to get rid of abdominal pain. It is very good for treating milk allergy symptoms like diarrhea and bloating. So you need to grind 10 to 12 leaves of Oxalis corniculata or changeri along with 1 teaspoonful of turmeric. You can make a decoction by adding 2 glasses of water to this paste and boil it till it reduces to half. Now strain the liquid and drink it once every day. Next one is Bhumi Amla cold compressed juice. So Phyllanthus neruri is also an excellent option for milk allergy. You need to take 5 to 10 ml of cold pressed juice of this herb and it is very good for people who are suffering from milk allergy. Next one is jaggery, which is a wonderful natural substitute of sugar that aids digestion and boosts appetite. It will help you deal with gastrointestinal effect of milk allergy. Take small portion of jaggery after meals as it also prevents heaviness after having food. Last one is pomegranate. You need to take 50 grams of pomegranate skin, mix it in 800 ml of water and boil it for an hour till it remains to around 200 ml, that is a quarter. Put it in a clean dry bottle and drink 2 tablespoonfuls 2 times or 3 times in a day. So this pomegranate is rich in antioxidants and it prevents oxidative stress. Moreover, the peel reduces diarrhea as it inhibits intestinal mobility and intestinal fluid accumulation. These home remedies are effective to manage milk allergy. Moreover, it is advisable to avoid milk, and in place of milk, you can use soy milk or almond milk. If you or your loved one is suffering from milk allergy, then feel free to contact us. At Ayurveda, under the guidance of Dr. Sahil Gupta, we have prepared natural and herbal treatment methods that are effective in managing any type of allergy, including milk allergy. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay allergy free. Thank you.